Hello student, today we will learn lesson number 1.6, a collage. So what is a collage? A collage is a piece of art made by sticking different material like photographs, pieces of papers or fabric. Today we are going to learn the collage of a great person, Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda was born on 12th of January 1863 in Kolkata and died on 4th of July 1902. And Ramakrishna Paramhans inspired him the most. Swami Vivekananda, born Narendra Datta, was a great personality who made the world aware of the greatness of Indian philosophy. So, the original name of Swami Vivekananda was Narendra Datta, and he was a great personality. Why? Because he made people know the greatness of Indian philosophy, the art of thinking. Philosophy means the art of thinking. At the Parliament of World's Religion, he began his speech with Sisters and Brothers of America. At these words, he received a 2 minutes standing ovation. Ovation means what? People stood and clapped hand for him. He emphasized the importance of selflessness and service to mankind. Emphasize means he gave the importance of selflessness and service to mankind. He regarded as a patriotic son. Arise, his quotes are arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is reached. So, this was how he worked. He never neglected his work. He never avoided, he never ignored his work. He just kept on working. Talking you talking to yourself at least once in a day, otherwise you may miss a meeting with an excellent person in this world. So what Swami Vivekananda message he's quoting, that he's saying that once in a day we should talk to ourselves. That means we should do meditation, and we should not miss a meeting with an excellence person in this world. Who is the excellence person? Our mind. Take up one idea, make that one idea your life. Think of it, dream of it, live on that idea. Let the brain, muscles, nerves, every part of your body be full of that idea, and just leave every other idea alone. This is the way to success. So, his thinking was such that take up one idea, make one idea of your life, think of it, dream of it, live on that idea, so that each and every part of your body will be will get success. It may be that I shall find it good to get outside my body, to cast it off like a worn out garment, but I shall not cease to work. I shall inspire men everywhere until the whole world shall know that it is one with God. Fill the brain with high thoughts, highest idols, place them day and night before you, and out of that will come great success. So we should try to collect great idea. We should every day we should try on improving. Conquer yourself and the whole universe is yours. So we should maintain discipline to conquer ourselves. Whatever you think, whatever you think that you will be. If you think yourself weak, you will be weak only. And if you think yourself strong, you will be strong only. So, this is a lesson collage. So, in this lesson, see in many other apps, you collect your photo and you make collage. So This collage is of Swami Vivekanand. So I want you to uh, take the help of internet and prepare a collage of at least two great personality in your homework. Any two great persons, and submit your homework on my WhatsApp number. This much for the day. Thank you so much.